Misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Well, we camped at Lockhaven William T. Piper Memorial Airport last night. This is the birthplace to the Pipers. Over there in the background is the factory. We're going to go do a tour of the museum today. Opens at 9, then we're going to take off.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
Trying to get dressed and clean up in here and get this all broken down.
Okay, we're gonna break it down, then go to the museum.
Yep. Yeah, we'll break it down and then go to the museum, and then that way when we're done at the museum, we can just hop in the plane and go.
Zip on out of here.
Yep.
Alright.
It's gonna be a bumpy flight home, but
No, it won't.
yes, it will.
We spent about 3 hours at the Piper Memorial Museum at a private tour from a gentleman named George, I believe. Saw a lot of really unique airplanes and learned about the history of the museum and where it is currently. I highly recommend, if you're in the area, you go check it out. Climb out at 61. Okay, it's basically a straight out departure.
Okay.
Lockhaven traffic flight design 915 Charlie Tango, departing runway 27 right will be a straight out departure to the west. Lockhaven?
Do you have the GPS set?
Yep.
Okay.
I did. Yep.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay, nobody on the runway?
Nope.
Birds on the runway?
Nope, they're all over there, so.
Okay, here we go. Bob's coming up.
Terrain ahead. Hold up.
We're gonna head south. Bravo here. Okay. Bob's coming up.
our last leg. We are headed home. We are about at 51 minutes, 52 minutes from home. Yeah, so it's been a fun flight.
Not too bad for you?
Nope, not too bad. We did lose the GPS thingy.
Yes,
sir. We
because
would
an
like
update.
a practice ILS 6 right.
Yeah, there was an update on the GPS, and it stopped outputting the position information to the EFIS and the autopilot. Now the autopilot's kind of just working on bank position and altitude. We talked to Garmin. They said, "Yep, we screwed up. It'll be fixed in the next update in the next week or so."
Yep.
So
yeah, it's been a fun flight home.
been fun. Actually
We are.
gets you back to trying to hand fly things.
Yep. We are currently 8,500 feet up. Oh, big plane.
Big plane coming. You probably won't be able to see it way out there. Yeah, we're on the last trip, our last leg,
Yep.
and
Going home soon and
excited to be in the bed tonight,
Yeah.
hopefully.
in our bed tonight. But
Well,
so we'll see you when we're on the ground.
all right.
Is that too much? No.
Feels good.
Number 5, Charlie Tango. You'll be number 2 to a Cirrus on a left midfield downwind.
We're looking for that traffic. 5 Charlie Tango.
Roger.
Left downwind.
What?
We'll Tango.
Number 5, Charlie Tango. That traffic Cirrus is on the left downwind of beam the numbers.
Yeah, still negative contact. 5 Charlie Tango.
Number 5, Charlie Tango. That traffic's no longer a factor on our left base. Number 2, runway 23, clear to land.
Clear land, runway 23, number 2, 915 Charlie Tango.
Okay, Terre Haute Tower, this is Cirrus 998 Delta Foxtrot. We are 3 miles inbound to the IM2, RNAV 23 approach.
Number 998 Delta Foxtrot, Holman Tower, runway 23, clear for the option. After the option, turn left heading 140.
23 clear for the option, and then after the option, we'll make a left turn to 1308 Delta Foxtrot.
They got the one landing.
Yep.
Number 5, Charlie Tango. Turn left direct to the numbers.
Check the numbers. 5 Charlie Tango.
Cirrus 7 Alpha Victor, turn right on Foxtrot, contact ground point 6.
Right on Foxtrot, point 6. 7 Alpha Victor.
500.
100, first notch of flaps. Below 80, 15 degrees. Pitching for 65.
Number 5 Charlie Tango, turn right to Foxtrot, contact ground point 6.
Right on Foxtrot, over to ground. 915 to takeoff. One 21.6.
Yes.
Cross 23 Alpha 2, Foxtrot 3, hub 56 plus 1.
Home and ground flight design 915 Charlie Tango, just off 23 on Foxtrot, going to the hangars.
For 915 Charlie, home and ground, text park via Foxtrot.
Parking via Foxtrot, 5 Charlie Tango.
Work ID off of Foxtrot 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh God, it's hot.
$74.
Yep.
Hub 56 plus 1 is clear at Foxtrot 3.
56 plus 1, roger.
I don't know.
And that concludes our East Coast swing trip. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll be heading down to Trigger Gap, Arkansas to stay the night on a cold January day.